Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to take stock of the damage that has been caused owing to the floods and the water discharge from the dams in parts of the state. The Prime Minister assured the Chief Minister that all possible support from the centre side will be given there to control the situation. And the Prime Minister also has prayed for the safety and the well-being of those in the affected areas. Going across to Madhurima now for a quick update. We are also getting to know, Madhurima, that Mamata Banerjee herself will be conducting an aerial survey of all of those areas that have been affected because of the constant flooding there, but also a conversation that happened between the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister of West Bengal.
Well, absolutely, Amita. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in the view of the floods that have occurred in the state of West Bengal. Let me tell you that there are around 6 districts that have been affected by these floods. Over 2 lakh people have been rendered homeless and are facing the wrath of the floods. Around 15 have reported to be dead. So looking at the dire situation in the state of West Bengal, these affected 6 districts, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and has assured all support to the state of West Bengal. He has said that the central government will extend all possible help and will mitigate all issues that are concerning the state of West Bengal in these difficult times. And taking cognizance of the current situation, the Prime Minister has said that he will pray for those who are affected, and the central government will be walking shoulder to shoulder with the West Bengal government in these difficult times and will be extending all the needed support that is asked by the state of West Bengal. Amita.
Right, Madhurima, thanks very much for joining in. So all possible help will be provided by the centre to the state of West Bengal, especially those areas that have been affected because of the floods.